Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to search filters on Instagram. So go for your plus icon and go for story. Now you have to just in this filters option, you have to just go for right, have to swipe right it at the right corner. You can see here is the browse effect here. So need to click on it. Okay. Now you can see so many filters are here in the trending option, in the appearance and whatever. So if you want to search here, if I go for beauty and you can see all of the beauty filters are here, and if I go for beauty plus and you can see, or if I go for in this new girl, this is another one. Okay, so if I go for DG Beauty, and if you want to save it, then go for in this option here, save option, and just go back, and you can see this your DG Beauty or whatever this is here. So now you can use it from here. So yeah, this is how you can search filters on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.